All right, putting hands together. This is tricky stuff. Let's take it slow. Let's work together on this and we will make it. So the first trick is to go back to that rhythm that we initially learned. And if we think about it as demigod, we need to be able to play our right hand on God. Demigod, demigod, demigod. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. This is where our third beat starts, which is where the right hand begins. So it will sound like this. Now, I played it a little bit high so you could see it actually overlaps with the thumb. So you'll just leave off the left-hand thumb so you can play the octave here if you're playing the octaves. So here we go in our regular register, our regular spot. Percy Jackson, demigod. Again. Percy Jackson, demigod. That is the hardest part of all of it, but that's where we start. After that, we have our back-to-back dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. And our next note in the right hand comes on that second dun-dun-dun. If you're using the words hero type with a sword. Hero type with a sword. And then we finish on the third note, just like we did at the beginning. What a guy. Yeah, we love. So that's the rhythm. Let's pair it all together. I know, this is a lot. Hang in there. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. And now we're moving on to the B flat in the left hand. And this right hand is going to hold for 4 counts, which if we're using the words, it's going to go Percy Jackson, demigod, hero type, with is when we move. So here's what it sounds like. Dun-dun-dun, rest, dun-dun-dun, rest, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, rest. What a guy, yeah, we love. Whew. We made it through that first set. Let's see if we can do it all together now from the very beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. Yeah, we love. Whew. That was it. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, hey, that is slow. We do need to go slow so that we can go fast eventually. If you can't play it super slow, you likely won't be able to play it fast. Let's give it a go a little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, go. And now even a little bit more faster. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 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 rest. Awesome. If you were able to keep up, great job. If not, it's totally understandable. This is tricky stuff. Back it up, rewind, let's do it over again as many times as you need so you can feel confident. Really making sure you master this before you move on is key to your success. For those of you that are ready, let's move on to sentence 2. Again, similar pattern. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy, yeah, we love. Percy Jackson, demigod, a hero type with a sword. Oh, what a guy. So this one, again, the intro is the beginning. Then, when we move to the B flat in the left hand, we're going to play 3 of those left hand rhythms, the demigods. Demigod, dun, 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 and then we go back to back on that B flat in the left hand. We match it to the B flat in the right hand. Let's do that all together. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Let's do it a little bit quicker. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, sentence 3 starts the same way. And when we go back to back, we bring it down on the right hand. And that's it. So let's do sentence 3 all together. This is that boomerang. 1, 2, ready, go. A little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, go. And even a little bit more faster. One more note for you. This is a great song to use the pedal to help that right hand melody stretch out and feel more elongated, feel more like it has an arc to it. You can refresh that pedal with each note of the right hand. So here it is without pedal. And here it is with pedal. Sweet. We have one last bridge to learn. You're really a trooper if you've stuck with me this far. One more video to go and we'll piece it all together into one giant song. Thanks again for coming today.